Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. I'm in UCLA right now, the parking lot. I just parked. I came to fix a student's iPhone 6S Rose Gold. Her name is Jordan, and we're just gonna walk down and get that and find her dorm so we can fix it. This is vlog 111, I believe. Yes, it's a vlog 111. It's an iPhone 6S Rose Gold. She just cracked it and she needs her phone for school tomorrow. She's at the dorm, so we gotta go find her, which dorm it is she's at, and fix her phone. So stay tuned for some action coming your way. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold vlog 111. Peace. Hey guys, we kind of got lost in this campus because it's so big, so I had to call her, and now I'm walking up the hill. Before I was walking down the hill, and I have 420 feet to walk. A 2-minute walk. Wait, I have to walk. I have to walk up. Should have. I couldn't get hold of her earlier, so I had to walk down. Find out that I walked too far, so now I'm walking up the hill. Should be on the left. This is UCLA dorm residential area suites. Okay, looks like I found it. She said look for Holly Ridge lounges. Yeah, I think I found it. That's the one. Should go that way. Okay guys, I'll see you guys back when I get inside. See you guys soon. Peace. I can, like this one, because it's for Jordan, like it'll be 80 even. If it's the same phone, it's a 6S or a 6.
You have a 6S or a 6?
Is it S on the back or no? That's how you know.
A 6.
6 regular? Mm-hmm. A 6 regular, since I'm already here, I can do it for 60.
For 60?
Yeah, I can finish it.
You can do the cash app, right? Can you do the cash app?
Yeah, I can do the cash app.
What?
It's kind of like Venmo. Oh, okay, sorry.
I want a phone.
Yeah, she was talking, and then you were talking. Okay, because I'm. It's all good. Hey guys, I just fixed that phone you saw. I use iPhone 6S Rose Gold, and now I'm walking up the hill to the parking lot to pick up another screen because there was a student that was passing by, and I guess she knew her from somewhere and asked what she was doing, and she said that she was getting her phone repaired. So I just got another customer, and then just gave me the idea that I should probably just come to UCLA and pass all my cars to all the students, and probably get a bunch of customers coming to me almost every day. And this place will be my new playground to fix phones. It's just an idea that just came through, which is good. It's definitely a smart one. So, what is going up the hill? It's a pretty steep hill, but it's a good workout, if you ask. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you guys soon when I get the new screen, and you'll see the repair. Hey guys, we just finished that phone. We finished the second phone too. I just forgot my camera in the car when I came to get the second screen, and so I wasn't able to record the second phone. But we did two phones, 6S and a 6 regular, and now we are driving back home. I'm guessing I gotta drive back this way. Yeah, I think so. Okay, yeah. So we're now ready to driving home. Just relax. That was pretty much it, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is a vlog 111, and there was two phones and we finished both, and I'll put the second phone here right before we finish here, and so you guys can see how damaged the second phone was, and we fixed it and brought it back to new, and which also gave us the idea to start going to campuses and advertise our services so that more customers will call us, like meaning students and teachers and stuff, etc. So anyway guys, so that's about it. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold and Blue Vlog 111, and see you guys soon in Vlog 112. Peace. Cut.